Hey, welcome back, my amazing students. So in this lecture here, we're gonna go ahead and create the connection with SQLAlchemy so that way we can start creating the models. Now, since this is gonna be a medium-sized application, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a folder a file inside the folder app, and this is gonna call extensions here, extensions.py, just as simple as that. All right, so here we're gonna keep some things separated from the main application here. It's a separation of concerns, so that way we don't get like circular imports problems, and we just know what we're using in the app, right? Okay, so what I'm gonna do here is I'm going to import SQLAlchemy, of course. And I'm gonna create the instance right here. So just like that, boom. So I'm gonna go back into my app here and I'm gonna import this guy, and let's do it right here. So I'm gonna do from the extensions, import the DB, just like that. All right, so now we're gonna bind this instance to our app inside here somewhere. Let's go and let's do it right below this guy right here. So we're gonna say DB, and we're gonna access this init app method that is gonna help us bind that. And we pass in the app, and that's it. That's all we need now. And let's go ahead and make sure that our application hasn't broken yet. All right, so it's still working, and yeah, it's good. You can see it, right? All righty, perfect. Let's go back into the here. Perfect. Alrighty. We got everything we need here. Yeah, I'm just double checking to see if we're missing something, but I think we're fine. Alrighty, yeah. Make sure that you import it. All right, that's all we're doing here, creating an instance, and then we are importing it here and binding it to our application. Super, super cool. I'll see you guys on the next lecture. Be consistent and do what you need to do to finish whatever you start, guys. Seriously, this is gonna give you a good habit for you guys to go very far in life. I'll see you guys on the next lecture.